Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a cleanup video. It's gonna be do it all with me. So I'm cleaning this house. I don't know how because I don't want the video to be very long, so I might divide it into two. So stay tuned. This is a cleaning motivation, and I've got my cloth here. So today what I'm going to use is this polish. It's very good is because you can use it on wood and you can use it on the glass. So I'm going to use it to polish all my glass in here and just tidy up this place because it's like, I don't know. So now guys, I'm using the steamer to clean the surface. It really cleans it very well. The steam really gets it nicely done. While I'm doing, you can see Jaden is still stepping in there, but well, that's what I'm doing at the moment to clear all the mess out of the sofa, then to give this room a bit of clean because my sofas are looking quite messy. Today I don't want to spray chemicals in it, so I'm just trying to use water to make it nice and fresh. So I have to get rid of all the sofas and clean underneath because sometimes the things you pick under your sofas, guys, So I need to clean the carpet nicely because under the rug there's a lot of mess. So yeah, I need my muscles here to pick them and sort it out. That's what is got to be done. Crumbs everywhere. I might have to clean this one. There's food stains in it, so So now I'm using the Aldi multi-purpose wood and glass spray to do my table because it gets it cleaned very nicely. If you go to Aldi, you will find it there. It's quite nice, so you can try it, guys. And yeah, that is it. Getting the job done is all we need. I like to go on my knees because to save my back. So guys, this is how this area looking. So I'm going to use the box, the organizing box that I show you in the previous video to organize all the books down here, make it nice and clean. By the way, guys, I'm moving this place, the office, into downstairs, like the main office area. I'm doing some work there. I'm going to change the carpet and everything. I'll take you along how I get it done. So at least we will get a proper office area and a steady room for the boys and everyone to use. So if you have any tips and tricks how I can get that place tidy, just leave it down the comment below. Well, I do what I can do. So just get into a conversation with me. Say hi if you're there. Give me any tricks you have and we will go along with it. This table, I needed the hand of Samuel, so he came around it. So this side is done, but I need to set this thing up again because the wires is everywhere. So guys, I realized the chair was blocking everything I was doing here. All what I was doing was organizing the wires at the back of the laptop because I did turn the table around. So, and I cleaned the back of it with the same thing I used for the table, the multi-purpose clean. So, and I've managed to organize all the books. I've put them in that organizing thing, and yeah, that's what I can do here. I have to do what I can do. So yeah, that's all I did in that area and it's done. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you are doing amazingly well, and I hope you take even one tip out of this cleaning motivation. I hope I motivate you. God bless you. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.